Ibrahim Traoré, a name that resonates with leadership and resilience, has emerged as a formidable figure in Burkina Faso and beyond. Born on March 14, 1988 in Bondokuy, Burkina Faso, Traoré's journey from a quiet student to the youngest head of state in the world is a testament to his determination and courage. Traoré's early life was marked by academic excellence and a penchant for leadership. He completed his primary education in his hometown and later attended high school in Bobo-Dioulasso, where he was known for his intelligence and reserved nature. In 2006, he pursued a degree in geology at the University of Ouagadougou, where he became actively involved in student politics, defending his peers in disputes and rising to a delegate position within the Association Nationale des Étudiants du Burkina, ANEB. In 2009, Traoré joined the Burkina Faso army, quickly advancing through the ranks due to his exceptional skills and leadership qualities. His military training included anti-aircraft training in Morocco and participation in the United Nations peacekeeping mission in Mali, where he demonstrated remarkable bravery during complex attacks by militant extremists. His leadership during these missions earned him recognition and respect among his peers. Traoré's disillusionment with the political leadership in Burkina Faso, coupled with his commitment to his country, led him to stage a coup in September 2022, ousting interim president Paul-Henri Sandaogo Damiba. This bold move catapulted him to the position of transitional president, a role he embraced with the promise of addressing the insurgency and improving security in the nation. As the interim leader, Traoré has been a polarizing figure, viewed by some as a messianic savior and by others as an autocratic ruler. His leadership style is characterized by a mix of Marxist and Pan-Africanist ideologies, with a focus on national sovereignty and self-sufficiency. He has sought to diversify Burkina Faso's international partnerships, notably expelling French forces and forging closer ties with countries like Russia and Turkey. Traoré's vision for Burkina Faso extends beyond military achievements. He advocates for food self-sufficiency and economic independence, drawing inspiration from the legendary Burkinabe leader Thomas Sankara. His speeches often echo Sankara's call for African autonomy and resilience, resonating with the youth and grassroots communities across the continent. Despite his achievements, Traoré's tenure has not been without challenges. His government has faced criticism for its handling of the insurgency and its approach to governance. Allegations of manipulation and propaganda have surfaced, with some accusing him of fostering a cult of personality. Additionally, his stance on social issues, such as the proposed criminalization of homosexuality, has sparked debate and controversy. Ibrahim Traoré's story is one of courage, leadership, and unwavering patriotism. His journey from a young military officer to the leader of a nation in turmoil is a testament to his resilience and commitment to his country's future. As Burkina Faso navigates its path forward, Traoré's legacy will undoubtedly be shaped by his ability to balance his revolutionary ideals with the practical challenges of governance. His story serves as an inspiration to many, a reminder of the power of determination and the enduring spirit of African leadership.